Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the fourth part of the 6th chapter Be My Multiple I Will Be Your Factor of class 5 subject mathematics, and I am Jay Prakash. Let's start the class. Now come to today's overview. So today we have taken only two topics. The first one is common factors and the second is factor tree. Now come to the first topic, which is common factors. Now can you tell me what is the meaning of common factors, or what do you know about common factors? So let's understand these words, means common factor, through an very interesting example. So here we have two fruit seller. First is Raju and second is Rahim. So we can see in Raju's fruit shop there are many different type of fruits like strawberry, kiwi, grapes and apples. And similarly Rahim's has also many different type of fruits like pear, orange, strawberry and kiwi. So now here I have a question for you all, that what fruits can you see that is common in both shops? Yes, you are right, that is strawberry and kiwi. These two fruits they are selling commonly, means these fruits are common that they have in their shop. So here we can say that common fruits that they are selling are strawberry and kiwi. So similarly, like these fruits, the factors are known as common. So how? Let me take an example. Let's take 18 for here. Let's take 18. So what are the factors of 18? So you can write 1, okay, then 2, then 3, then 6, 9 and at last 18. And now let's write the factors for 24. So what are the factors of 24? So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 and 12 and at last 24. So these are the factors of 18 and 24. So now by observing, so you will tell me what are the factors that they have common. So you can write first is 1, second is 2 that they have in common, next is 3 and at last they have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6, these numbers means these factors are known as common factors of 18 and 24. I hope that you have very well understand that what are common factors. So it was just an activity for define two common factors. Now come to the textbook. So here some question is here. Write the factors of 25 in the red circle. Here we have the red circle, and the factors of 35 in the blue circle. So here is the blue circle. So now let's do this. At first on the top we will write 25 and here we will write 35. Okay, and now one by one we will write the all factors of 25. So as you all know that what is the meaning of factor. Yes, in the previous video we have very well understand its concept, definition and examples. If you have not watched that video, so I will give its link in the description. You can go there and you must watch that video because it is very important. Before understanding common factors you have to understand what is a factor. So go to the previous video first, then watch it. Now here we have to write the factors. So what? How can we write the factors of 25? So it's very easy. We will use division method. Means we will find the numbers that are dividing 25. Okay. So first number is 1. Okay, that can divide 25. So one by one you will check the all numbers till 25. So it will be a very long process. Here you will take much time. So I have a very short process for it. If 1 is dividing 25, so what will be its next number? Yeah, 25. When you will divide 25 by 1, so you will get 25. So 1 and 25 are factors of 25. Now go to the next number. 2 cannot divide because it is an odd number. Now check with 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. So write here 5. 5 5 is 25. So you can write only 5 here. So 1, 5 and 25. These three numbers are the factors of 25. Now similarly write the factors of 35. So at first 1 is, then next is 35. Directly will write. If 1 is there, so 35 will be there. because if you will divide 35 by 1, so you will get 35. So 1 and 35 are factors of 35. Now next number is we can write 5, and if you will divide 35 by 5, so you will get 7. So 5 and 7, these two number we got, and yes, 1 2 3 4. So these are the factors of 35. Now we will check that which number are common factors of 25 and 35. So first you can see here 1, so write here 1 in the purple portion, and next is 5, so write here 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors of 25 and 35. So I hope that you have understand it. Now go to the next. Which are the factors you have written in common part purple of both circles, that was 1 and 5. These are common factors of 25 and 35. So I have already explained about it, that what are common factors, and 1 and 5 will be common factors of 25 and 35. Now write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. So here we have red and blue circle. So 1 minute, 40 we have to write in red and 60 we have to write in blue circle. So let's write it here. 40 we will write, and here is we have 60. So once again we have to find the factors for 40. So first is 1, so its another number will be 40, because 1 into 40 means 1 into 40 will be 40. So just erase the cross multiplication. Okay, now 40 is divided by 2, so write here 2, and if you will divide 40 by 2 you will get 20. Okay, because 2 20 is 40. Now next number will be 4. So 4 10 is 40, so you can write here 10 also. Now next number is 5. So 5 it is 8 5 8 is 40. So these are the factors of 40. Now similarly you will find the factors for 60. So first number will be 1, so its next number will be 60, because 1 into 60 you will get 60. And next it will be 2, and 2 30 is, so 30 will be also factor of 60. Now next will be 3, so if you will divide 60 by 3, so you will get 20. So 3 and 20 are factors now. And next is 4, so it will be 15, because if you will divide 60 by 4, so we will get 15, and at last it will be 6 and 10. Okay, 6 and 10 we got. Let me write here 10. So now we will check that which number are common. So 1, so write here 1, next 2, we can write here 2, then 4 is common, so put it here in the purple box, and 5 is not there, 6 is not, then 8 10, yes 10 we have, so write 10 here. 20 we have also, so write 20, and yes, so 1 2 4 10 and 20, these are the common factors of 40 and 60. Now come to the next. Here is written factor tree, actually it is a printing mistake. It will come in the next page. So now next we have what are the factors written in the common purple part, the circle, which is the biggest common factor of 40 and 60. So common factors, what were the common factors? That were 1, let me memorize this, 1 and 2, then next was 4, and next 10, and at last it was 20. So among these all common factors we can see that the 20 is the biggest common factor. Now come to the next page. Yeah, it is factor tree, but before going factor tree I want to give you 2 questions for your practice. So you will find, means you will tell me the common factors of 21 and 35. First you will find it, then write the common factors in the comment box. I will definitely check it. And second question is also related to common factors, that you have to find the common factors of 30 and 50. Okay, write the common factors of 30 and 50 in the comment box. Definitely I will check it, and I will reply will also. Now come to the next, that is last topic, which is factor tree. So question is, in how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them below. So here you can see that 18, yes, 18 factors are 2 and 9. Then 2 has no factor excepting 1. So come to 9, it has 3 and 3 as factors. So in this way it is looking like a tree. So it is known as factor tree. I hope you have understand. Now next we have another 18. So here we have to make a factor tree with different numbers. So 2 and 9 has taken. So first we have to check that what are the factors of 18. So that is 1 and 18. Okay. Next is 2 and 9. Next is 3 and 6. 3 multiplied by 6. So 2 and 9 is taken. So now we will take 3 and 6. So here we will write 3 and here we will write 6. So 3 has now no more factor excepting 1. Now 6. So its factors are 2 and 3. So in this way the factor tree for 18 is completed. Now come to the next question. So here we have try drawing the factor tree using other numbers also. So here we have factor tree for 24. So let me make for this first. Yeah. So 24. So first thing we have to do that here in the all 3 boxes we have 24. So in 3 different ways we have to make a factor tree. So for that what will we do, students? So first we will find the factor pair for 24. So first is 1 into 24. Okay. Next will be 2 into 12. Next are 3 into 8. And next are 4 into 6. So these are the factor pairs that we can take. Now come to the first. So we can leave 1 into 24, direct take 2 into 12. So here we can write 2, make a circle, and next we can write here 12. Now make a circle. So 2 have now no more factor excepting 1. So always accept 1, okay, for making factor tree. Now 12 has more factors. So you will take 2 lines, and here you can write also the first factor for 12, it will be 2, and another it will be 6. How can we get 6? Because when you will divide 12 by 2, so you will get 6. So now 6 has more factors. So first will be 2, and after dividing 6 by 2 you will get 3. So in this way it is completed. Now come to the next 24. So 2 into 12 we have completed in the first table. Now we will take 3 into 8. So here let's write 3. Just wait, let me write properly. Yeah, it is 3. And now in the next I will write 4. Now 8 has more factors, so give them branches like straight lines, and write here 2 and write here 4. Now 4 has more factors, so write here 2 and another 2 for here. Actually we are just dividing, okay. As you all know that factors, what are factors? Yes, factors can divide the number. So these all are their division numbers, you can see. Now in the last table we will take the pair 4 into 6. So here let's write 4 and here we will write 6. Now 4 has also factors. So write here 2, and for another branch you can write here also 2. Now leave it because they both have 1 as their factors. Now come to 6. Its first factor will be 2. Yes. And now its another factor, it will be 3. So now in this way factor tree of 24 in 3 different ways we have completed. Now for your practice I am giving you some questions that you will make some factor tree. So first you can practice for 40, second you can make for 45. So dear students, practice on this question to make their factor tree on 40 and 45. So let me take another one example, okay. Another one example for factor tree. So let me take a big number like 100, okay. So 100 is a very big number. So let's make a factor tree for 100. So first wait, here in many different ways we will make factor tree for 100. So for that, what you have to do? You have to know that there are how many pairs for 100. So first pair for 100 will be 1 into 100. So leave it. Next it will be 2 into 50. Another will be 4. Yes, we can take 4 into 25. Another one will be 5 into we can take 20. Yes, so these are pairs. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we will take these 3 pairs. First is 2 into 50, second is 4 into 25, and the third is 5 into 20. So like 24, we will also make factor tree for 100 in 3 different ways. So how? You can see here. So let me write here 100 first. Okay, let me circle it. Now make branches for this. So first, what was the first one? Yes, 2 into 50. So write here 2, and another factor will be 50. Now 50 has more branches, so give them branches, means more factors. So for that, give them branches. So its first number will be 2 and another will be 25. Clear? Here you can write 25. Now 5 here has more factors, so you can write here 5. 25 has more factors as 5 and 5, so give them branches and write here. Okay, now in the second way, we will take 4 into 25. So first you can write here 4, and for the next you can write here 25. Okay, now 4 has more factors, so give them branches. And what are the factors of 4? Yes, 2 and 2. And now for 25, yes, it has 2 more factors, that is 5 and another 5. So in this way it is completed. Now last we have yes, we are going to make the last factor tree for 100. So the last pair was, yes, 5 into 20. So let's write here 20. Now 5 has only one factor as 1. Okay, so leave that and now come to 20. So it has more factors as 2 and another one is 10. Now 10 has more factors. So first one is 2, so we can write here 2, and another one is 5, because 2 5s are 10. So in this way you can see that 100 is also has 3 factor tree like 24. So in this way you can understand the factor tree. I hope that this topic is also very well you have understand. And now let me over this class for today. So see you all in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, dear students, because these all videos I am making for you all. So give a like. Till then, bye bye.